How to see recent emails from your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your recent emails on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now to go to this page, click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon. And now click on the second option, which is password and security. Scroll down until you find see recent emails from Facebook. To see a list of emails they send you recently and including emails about security, click on it. And this is it. You have security and you have other emails. So this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.